Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to speed up load times in Uber Eats and other delivery apps on iPhone. If menus and order takes forever to load, clearing out the app's junk usually fixes it. First, open your settings and then go to General and then go to iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and tap Uber Eats or any delivery app. Then tap Offload app. This clears cached files without deleting your account. Reinstall it from the App Store and the app will feel fresh. Next, inside the app, what you're gonna do is log out and log back in, and then this refreshes your saved data and often clears out stock pages. Also, make sure the app is updated. Go to the App Store and then search for Uber Eats. Then look for an update option. Sometimes login issues happen or speed up load times happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. If it's still lagging, restart your iPhone or clear background memory that slows the apps down. Safety tip: only reinstall from the official App Store, never from the links in text or websites, since fake apps can steal login info. Quick fix: if nothing works, switch to Wi-Fi or faster connection before ordering. Delivery apps are heavy on images and can crawl on weak mobile data. Subscribe for more quick fixes.